Here's integrated 3. It's problem CL 9-150, and it wants you to divide this cubic by this linear divisor. So what I see happening sometimes is someone will just go like this. And they'll try to cancel things out. You cannot cancel out add-ins, like things that are getting added or subtracted from each other. You can only cancel factors. So you'd have to factor this to even be able to cancel stuff out, but you can't factor it because it's a cubic. So what you have to do here is divide. Like, so you can do PolyDoku is how your book wants you to do it. If you happen to know just how to do regular polynomial division, I think there's a math notes box about that. You can do it that way. Or there's also a method called synthetic division, which if you have a tutor or if you Google or something, you might see it worked out that way. So, but this is not a way to do it. So I'm going to use PolyDoku on this because that's what we did in class. And so in PolyDoku, we're using an area model box. And then we put the thing that we're dividing into, we put the first term on the upper top left corner. Okay, and then there's going to be some boxes like, so this will be the cubics, or the cubed terms. This will be the squared terms. These two would be the x terms, and the constant's going to go here. I left some extra room in case I end up with a remainder. So we're going to divide. So the way you do it is you go x times what would give me what's inside this box. So like I'd have to multiply x by 2x squared. Now I've got an area model. This times this equals what's in the box. And 4 times 2x squared, that would be 8x squared. And I know that this one times this one, sorry, this one plus this one, those are going to be the x squared terms, and they have to add up to the coefficient of this x squared here. So this is going to have to be negative 7x squared because that's the only thing I can add to this and get 1. And then up here, this is whatever I would have to multiply by x to get what's inside. So this would be negative 7x. And then in this box, you can imagine that I have to multiply negative 7x times 4. And then the negative 20x plus something has to equal this x term right here. So negative 28 plus what equals negative 19? I had to count on my fingers. That was 9, I think. And then that kind of forces this box up here, since x times whatever's up here has to equal 9x, this got to be a 9 here. And then 9 times 4 is 36. And so that's good, because this 36 matches that 36. It means I don't have a remainder. What that means is that x plus 4 times 2x squared minus 7x plus 9 is equal to this cubic. So your answer that you're going to write is just 2x squared minus 7x plus 9. That's the answer to this divided by this equals this. Or, like, if you want to look at it this way, I can say, oh, well, I can factor the top now. It's x plus 4 times 2x squared minus 7x plus 9. And now I can pull out, and my answer just ends up being that. So please don't write, I don't know, don't show any fake work or anything. Like, either use the PolyDoku box, or you can use long division or addition.